Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. I wanted to show you something new that Michelle in our Facebook group told me about this morning. I had no idea that you could do this now. So I'll just show what I'm going to do is I've just made a circle. Let me get rid of these and I'll start again. I'm going to come over here to the shape tool and get a circle. And I can make it any size I want. And I just came up here because I wanted to make it have a pattern fill instead of a color. So I came up here to where it says color. No, here where it says print, and I don't want it to say, so under fill I made it say print. To the right of the word print there's a color swatch here. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to change the print type to pattern. And I'll just stick any old pattern in here. Okay, and so as you know, we can change the shape of this pattern. There's lots we can do with this pattern, but that's not my intention today. My intention today with this quick video is to show you something new to me in Cricut Design Space. So maybe I wanted to just put a big old T in the middle of this for Toucan Sam or something. And of course I could change it to any font I'd like, but I'll just leave it like this. And I'm just going to put it here. And then I'm going to group these together. I'm going to group, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab both of these and I'm going to right click on it and say copy, and here's what you can do new. You can open up a new project, or well wait, cancel that. I'm going to get a new file, new window, and I'll just open something I've already done before. So why don't I open this Harry Potter thing, and I'll say I'm going to do this. And if I watch this is the new part. I can right click and say paste, and look what it does. I can bring something from one file into another. So if I want to take these Harry Potter things and copy these, I can go back to that other window that I had open, which was this one, right click and paste those into here. So isn't that cool? I love this. So glad that Cricut has finally come up with this because we've been needing this for a long time. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll be back again soon. Bye-bye.